Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I want to show you how to make the side dish buttercorn. It's easy. Let us begin. Hi, you didn't go to the wrong video. It's still the buttercorn video. The reason I need to make this short video is like this Sunday I will make this crispy chicken katsu. And if I have all the side dish together, the video will be too long. That's why I need to take part of it to be another video. So I try to make the buttercorn as a separate video. Why need to do that? Do you try to buy the side dish like for the buttercorn from the fried chicken franchise shop or some other place you eat the side dish? Like they say it's buttercorn, but when you make it, it's a little bit different. So first you need to have like the coin, and then we don't need the water inside. The liquid in there, we don't need it. And then 1 can of the whole coin, and then like we use the medium fire to cook it. And then after that we put like 2 tablespoons of the butter in there. And then now is the main thing, like maybe different than what you cook and then what you eat outside in the restaurant. They add the sugar. Yes, they add a little bit sugar, even though like you buy the can of the coin, like they said it's like sweet coin, but they don't bring up the flavor if you only put the butter. If you add 3 to 4 teaspoons of the sugar, this will bring up the whole flavor. If you only add the butter, it won't. Like even though the can say it's a sweet corn, it's not that sweet. So that's the difference. Like you eat in the restaurant and you cook it at home. But add a little bit sugar, I think will be good. After you make sure the sugar and butter melt, and then you can turn off the fire, put it on side, and then get ready for it cool down to be the side dish. Also, the yellow coin or the white coin, it doesn't matter, but don't put all the sugar at once. Like you put 3 teaspoons and then you taste it. If not sweet enough, and then you put more. Because each different brand the corn, they taste a little bit different. So some of them is more sweet and then you don't need to add that many sugar. Some of them is not, you need to put more. And then that's it. It's just that easy. And if I can do it, you can do it. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. And remember, Sunday I will have the crispy chicken katsu upload the video. I will hope to see you on Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.